Write your MHT-CET Biology exam success story with Target's MHT-CET Biology previous solved papers, a 25-year collection of over 3,000 unique MCQs. These MCQs match the latest MHT-CET syllabus, sorted by chapter and topic for easy and organized learning. Also, they are arranged year-wise so that you can decode the question patterns. Get answers to all questions and detailed solutions to difficult questions. Revise efficiently with quick review. We've added study tricks like Smart Tip, Smart Code, Caution and Thinking Hatke. Also, check out MHT-CET 2023 trends through easy graphs and tables. Transform your MHT-CET journey with Target.